If you've been feeling stuck, confined, or like there's no way out, I'm glad you're here today. The feeling of being trapped can be incredibly heavy, making it hard to see solutions or feel any sense of ease. But it's absolutely possible to shift this feeling, to create space for new possibilities and feel a general sense of freedom and ease. You can see the description box for articles on the science and studies on how tapping works and why it's so quickly effective. Today, we'll release some of that constriction and remind ourselves that even when things seem really difficult, there's always a path forward. For now, today, check in with yourself on a scale from 1 to 10 when it comes to how intensely you feel trapped or confined in life. And then we'll see how you feel after the tapping. Focus on any negative thoughts, beliefs, memories that surface as we tap, and just let it all process and flow through you. Take a deep breath, tap with, and repeat after me. Even though I feel trapped and there's no way out, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I feel stuck and confined in this situation, I honor how I feel. Even though this feeling of being trapped is overwhelming me, I accept where I'm at in this moment and begin to release it with each new tap. Even though some moments I believe there are no options, I deeply love and accept myself anyway. I feel so trapped. There's no escape from this. I could just scream some days. I feel completely stuck. This feeling of being trapped is suffocating me. I can't see any way out. It's like tunnel vision. It's so scary sometimes. I feel powerless in this situation. I'd scream if I wasn't so frozen. Releasing all the self-criticism. Releasing all these feelings of being trapped. Letting go of this belief that I'm stuck. All the trauma, tension, anger, fear. Dropping it here. I'm free. I'm okay. Releasing this sense of hopelessness that I feel. I'm dropping all the thoughts that say there's no way out. There's a way. Letting go of all the pressure to have all the answers right now. I'm safe. I'm okay. It's going to be okay. No more feeling trapped. I've opened a door now. I choose to release all this negativity now. Dropping it all here and now. I can let go of this feeling of being trapped. I choose to see the possibilities. I'm deserving of open pathways, of peace. I'm learning to trust solutions, new opportunities, they'll appear. It's okay not to have all the answers. I can still find a way forward. It's not some set plan like they tell us as kids. It's okay to change. I'm capable of navigating challenges. I'm opening this trapped feeling now. Letting it go. I choose to treat myself with kindness. I drop this feeling of restriction now and begin to explore my options. I'm starting to feel a sense of openness. I'm giving myself permission to explore new avenues, to enjoy life in new ways. Different ways than I might have imagined before. That's okay. I'm learning to appreciate my strength and resilience. So I'm feeling less stuck by the minute. I deserve freedom and new opportunities. I'm not confined to one road. I'm proud of myself for seeking a way out of this. I'm more open to new possibilities every day. I'm ready for changes now. I drop all the feelings of being trapped now. Any sense of restriction or confinement, I'm dropping it for good. I observe my feelings of being trapped with compassion and kindness, but I let them go. I'm feeling less trapped and finding more joy every day. I am free. I can begin to make changes. Different choices are perfectly fine for me to make. And then I can change my mind again if I want to. Every day I treat myself more kindly. Every day the knowing of my own freedom and empowerment grows. Whether everything is great or something has gone wrong, I speak to myself kindly with love from now on. Life is not a trap. And I begin living life now with a sense of wonder. Take a deep breath. See where you are on that 1 to 10 scale. And if you're still struggling with the feeling of being stuck in any way, that's okay. Tapping is a process. So you can take a little bit of time to retrain your mind. You know, it's literally rewriting neural pathways in your brain. But this is making progress. And so each time you're doing positive tapping, or, you know, even if it's negative tapping and you're kind of moving away from the negative thoughts like this one is, then if you go to the positive one that I'll be putting out and try to put it up there, and you do those back to back, you erase the negative feelings and pathways, and you permanently rewrite those negative neural pathways with positive ones, and it can be done in a matter of weeks. So it's releasing the old and building the new mindset. So be patient with yourself and trust that change is happening, and it's certainly worth, you know, your time, and you're worth the time of 10 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day if you can do it morning and afternoon, or a back-to-back session once a day, the negative and the positive. So yeah, if this session helped, please do like and subscribe. You'll get notified of new videos. Your comments and suggestions are helping me grow as a person, and it also helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate each of those interactions. So if there are specific memories, phrases that make you feel trapped, that you're really struggling to break free from, let me know in the comments or by email for privacy, or anything else that I can help with, and I'm glad to try. I will see you in the next video, And yeah, take care of yourself.